excited to show you the pulse sensor and how it links with the app. This is the box that the pulse sensor T3 comes in. It's a nice strong box. There's a little booklet that you can look through. And here we have the beautiful leather case. The pulse sensor comes in this leather case. It has a stamp Jinmu symbol on it. It has a nice strong zipper. These are custom made leather cases to keep the pulse sensor safe. And here's our pulse sensor T3. It's our 3rd generation. It's got a nice design. High quality device, has a strong hinge. In the back you can see that it's run by 2 AA batteries, so there's no need to charge it. Press the button, it shows a little screen there. It says please insert index finger. That's a nice stylish device. To link it with the app, you would download the Pulse CheckUp app from the App Store, and then after you log in and things, it will land at the reading page. The first thing you'll need to do is connect the sensor. So there's a button that says find sensors, and it's not finding it now because it's not on. So let me turn this on. Okay, and then I'm going to hit find sensors again. And you can see that it popped up here. I'm going to press connect. And now it says they're linked. They are connected. Using the back arrow, you can get back to the reading screen and you can start taking a reading. This says the left hand, so I'm going to set up my left index finger. Turn it back on. There's an infrared light and I'm going to put it in there. You could see the flash of the red light. Press start. And you just want to have a nice relaxed hand. And you want to breathe deeply and not move too much. Refrain from moving or talking. Just relax. On the device, the pulse sensor T3 itself, you can see the heart rate and you can see the oxygen level. So that's done. What I usually do is I switch and then I do the other hand. It's good to take a reading on both sides. Again, you want to be nice and relaxed, have a little space underneath. It takes a little practice at first to get the light to shine right through the end of your finger to capture that pulse waveform that we analyze. And that's it. Next, we can go into the app, and there's all sorts of things that we can do. So I'm going to hit report, and there's some questions that you can either guide your patient through or you can skip. If you're doing it on your own, you can answer them. And this first screen shows that I'm in suboptimal health. Oh no. You have a health score and a body age. There's a lot of different reports that you can interact with and click on. This is really cool. It shows sort of some acupuncture points where I could get some work done. My favorite is this 3D body map. The 3D body map is a super good way to interact with your clients and people you're providing health to. What this is showing is I'm thinking really hard, and I also have some soreness in my neck. Sometimes if I'm hungry, it will show up down the front. Sometimes if I'm having a sore knee, it will show up along there. You can adjust the sensitivity scale. So if I make it more sensitive, you can see more areas of my body that are experiencing some problems. So it looks like at the increased sensitivity level, you can see I have a little soreness in my left ankle, which is true. And I'm pretty tight through the shoulders and wrists from doing too much computer work. So that really directs, again, you can see these acupuncture points that can really stimulate conversation. This is the Meridian Scale. So this is what Dr. Weikang Wang developed in the labs. You can see there might be a difference between the left side and the right side that can help your patients see if there's a problem on one side of the body or the other. And with more study, you can dig into what each of those C0 to C11 represent. Here, there's different diet and exercise suggestions. You as the practitioner can direct your clients to what's going to be beneficial to them. This gives for each patient the overall pattern. So if they come to you once a week or once a month, you can track and see what their overall pattern is. And there's lots of things you can run. If you want to send them home to try something, you can. The other really nice thing is you can go back and you can see their history. So you can go back to the last time someone was here or the last time you took a reading, and you can see everything. This is actually the waveform that's captured, so you can really look at that. You can also make notes. So if the person says, "Oh, I'm so tired recently," you can put that note in there, and then it's a way to track the conversation that you've had with people and just have something to look back at. You can be more specific, but that's a nice feature. So there's the history. You can change the profiles, and there's 50 free profiles that you can use. So if you have a bigger practice, you can add on to that, but it comes with 50 free profiles. And that's it.